So hello दोस्तों, welcome to GrowMed. Welcome back to another session of discussing an important PYQ from the FMG. तो ये वाली सीरीज़ जो है ना मैं डेली एक वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ FMG के लिए जो इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो सारे वीडियोस देखना आप जो मैंने पहले भी पोस्ट करी हुई है, ठीक है? तो लुक एट दोज वीडियोस ऑल्सो विच आव पोस्टेड अर्लियर सो दैट इट विल हेल्प you in quick recall of the things, and you can watch these videos in the last minute revisions as well. So let's start. Today's topic is from the PSM, the types of epidemics. So epidemics are an important topic, and you can expect one question from this. So there are various other things from these epidemics, like the cohort study, then the epidemiology. I mean epidemiology. There are various things related to it, like the cohort study, then the case control study, the analysis, then the various formulas. Okay, so do look at all those points. The types of epidemics, it is divided into the three types. So the single exposure point source epidemics, the first one. Then the second one, the simple exposure point source, multiple exposure point source epidemics, and the propagated exposure. These are the graphs, and these can be seen with the respective source of epidemics. So single exposure means, as the name itself says, that there is a single exposure and there is a point source. मतलब कि single source ही रहेगा इसका भी. तो एक ही source में, एक ही single source में इतने exposure हो गया है. Okay, so there will be sudden rise and sudden fall in the graph, and there will be single peak. Example is the food poisoning and the Bhopal gas strategy. So questions are asked giving this example, that food poisoning is a kind of which type of epidemic, or they can describe the whole case of, like there is a party, and in the party the children's had pastry, and after that a lot of children they fell ill, and which kind of epidemics it is. So it will be food poisoning, and same wise the Bhopal gas tragedy. Then so this is the graph, and you can see here that in the graph there is a single peak, and the cases, they rise suddenly, and there's a sudden fall in the cases. So this graph can also be described like this. So the sudden fall, a single peak, and sudden rise, a single peak, and the sudden fall. So images, look at the images carefully, because image based questions are a very easy thing, and you can easily crack the questions if there is image given in the question, because images देखने के बाद you'll be sure that इसका डायग्नोसिस ये हो सकता है, या फिर ये इसका डायग्नोसिस है, तो ये क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा रहा है, ठीक है? तो दोज थिंग्स विच यू इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, टू लुक एट all the images from all the diseases, all the subjects. Then moving on to the multiple exposure point source epidemics. So multiple exposure from a single point, तो एक ही point है, but from that point only there are multiple exposures happening. Like for example the contaminated water, तो water contaminated है, water का source एक ही है ना. The source is a one, like for example well water, तो well एक ही है, and from that people are daily drinking the water, so it will be multiple exposure and point source epidemic. The graph seen in this kind of epidemics is sudden rise but slow fall, and you can also see multiple peaks in it. Like see here, there's a sudden rise in the cases, and there was a sudden fall in the cases also, but again the cases went to a peak, and again there was a fall. So there are multiple peaks here. And also look at the rise and the fall of the graph. So this graph can, if these bars are not given, no, this graph will look something like this. Then you need to think in terms of the multiple exposure, and questions can also be asked, images can be asked, and also clinical cases also can be asked, that water contaminated, the village people, they are drinking contaminated water, and due to which there's a spread of an infection in the village. So which kind of exposure it is, or which kind of epidemics it is. Then moving on to the propagated exposure. So propagated exposure, what happens in this is that the slow rise and slow fall of the cases. So this rise is also slow, and there's a plateau phase occurring here, and then the fall. Plateau phase present. This one is the plateau phase, and peaks are not present here. So you can look here, peak ऐसे आ नहीं रहा है कुछ भी, कि sudden rise sudden fall. तो केसेस आने के बाद, राइज होने के बाद में कंप्लीट प्लेटिफेस हो रहा है यहाँ पर. तो दिस काइंड इज सीन इन पर्सन टू पर्सन एक्सपोजर, एंड एग्जाम्पल्स आर द TB एंड द HIV. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ infectious diseases which spread from person to person, these are example of the propagated exposure. So this was a quick review of the types of the epidemic, and these are asked in the FMG, the image based, the clinical cases. So after watching this video, revise these points and solve the MCQs related to this epidemics, तो you will become perfect in this topic. तो वीडियो एक से दो बार देखना इसको, and रिवाइज करते रहना अपने फ्री टाइम में, तो फिर this question will not go wrong. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends, and if you're new to GrowMed, subscribe to GrowMed. Also watch the other videos of the previous year topics which I've made for you. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन गाइस, बाय बाय।